Precies, ik kom Rudy, misschien kan hij naar binnen daar. Precies, ik kom maar eens de man die wat omlaan. Hallo, hoe is het met jou?
I don't know Dutch, sorry.
Oh, where are you from?
Italy.
Oh, tu parlare italiano?
Of course.
So you're cooking?
Yeah.
You're from Italy, so you're making probably spaghetti or something.
Risotto. You know risotto?
Oh, risotto, yeah, of course. Yeah, risotto. What kind of risotto?
I didn't want to put mushrooms, but normally I do it with mushrooms. Just today I didn't feel like so. Rodekul, I don't know what this.
Oh, yeah, red cabbage we call it. In English it's red cabbage.
Exactly. And then oat, and and garlic, pepper, oregano stuff.
Sounds great. What do you think of the Dutch food?
Well, not that bad as I thought, but still, there's no like much excitement about it, you know. I have to mix everything.
Ja, risotto, hè, daar mag straks een beetje bouillon bij gooien. Hè? Dus als er geen bouillon bij gooit, dan brandt het jongen. Dus je moet ook even verbrande risotto gaan. Dat snap ik wel.
Geweldig.